Hello everybody, welcome to Texas Filipino. So my little wifey here is about to cook up some food here and she wanted to share it with you all. And I'm showing you a little bit of the ingredients she's got here and then we'll explain them. So, Mel, what are you going to cook here today?
So before anything else, before I say what I'm gonna cook, well, Ninja Kitchen is back,
The Kitchen Ninja?
and yes, and we have a subscriber that requesting for how to cook the moringa.
Oh, so
So
for Moringa, for Malunggay.
yes, how to
Yeah.
cook it. So there it is. So today, this is my menu is I'm going to stir fry.
You're going to stir fry. So we was talking about the Moringa, the Malunggay. This is from Melinda's Malunggay tree here in the backyard that's growing.
Mm-hmm.
She's got it growing in a large pot because we have sometimes hard winters. And so you need to be able to bring it in here in our region. But this, basically if you want to, you could say it's tree leaves, but these are very unique, wonderful, power-packed tree leaves that taste delicious. Um, so then you're just gonna stir fry. Is this that calabash? Did I
Yes.
say that right?
Yes, it is the calabash that I harvest today.
Oh, that's the one. Man, that is neat looking. Let me look here for our viewers so you can see. Do we still have a whole one that's not cut?
Yes, we have one here.
So here you go right here. I want to give you a comparison and show you what a calabash is. Uh, Here's our coffee maker if you want to see something to size up how big it is. Yeah, so it looks like it would be a tough vegetable, you're already growing that big, but I'm going to touch the food here. Of course, it's just Melinda and I here going to be eating. It's very, very tender, very, very
That's why you need to
soft.
you need to harvest them young. You don't need to be harvest like
So this is considered a young.
yes.
Oh my goodness, I hate to see what an old one is. Maybe you could use it as a baseball
Maybe
bat.
getting big this one.
Yeah, they get huge then,
Yes.
huh? Wow. So it's very, very tender. I want to taste a little bit of it raw. I want to see what it's like. It's very, very soft.
Yeah, they're soft. They're like also the same like what is that? Patula. You know the lofa. They're kind of the same.
It's a very mild flavor. I thought it would be something strong, but it's not. Get a little bit of that skin. I really don't even know what to compare it to. It is an extremely mild flavor to it. So I thought it would be something like really strong, but it's not. Not bad. So moving on here, what you got right here, Mel?
So I have a pork meat here.
That's pork, and
Yeah, I cut into cutlets.
you diced it up.
Yes, I dice it up.
Did you use your ninja sword? Huh?
Yes, this is my ninja.
Oh shoot, I'm
sword
stepping
so
back.
far.
Hey, you see this now? You saw her lift a weapon at me. And now, of course, this is pretty much what you're gonna see on a lot of Filipino menus.
Yes, you have always the ingredients is for suti, garlic, onion, and tomatoes. That is the main ingredients also.
And a lot of Filipino dishes, it all begins right here with this again and
Yes.
again. Diced up onion, diced up garlic, and diced up tomatoes. So I see you've got what else over here you're planning for it. Of course, we like to cook with olive oil.
Yes.
And you've got some sea salt there as well.
Well, I have also here the because I have not enough moringa leaves, so I harvest some of my climbing spinach and I can mix it them.
So you're gonna
together.
mix that spinach in there too, man. That
Yes.
looks great.
Yeah,
That is awesome. And
you can mix whatever
so
it is.
all of this here is from the farm, and the meat though, we have a friend that raises pork. Sometimes she gets pork from her, and sometimes we just right now have to buy it in store because we do not raise pigs here. All right, well, Mel, what you gonna do next?
First of all, of course, you need to light the stove.
Did you precisely measure that?
Yeah, you know that you need to use a lot of oil in your
So is that like a cup, a spoon,
3 tablespoons.
3 tables? How big is the table?
Just estimating.
So you guesstimated it, huh?
Mm.
All right. Well, why is the tomatoes being left out? They do something wrong? Huh?
Well, that's the way you need to turn the garlic brown first and
Oh, I just thought
brown
maybe the
before
tomatoes,
the
they
tomatoes.
thought maybe you were mad at them or something. You're going to leave them out of the party.
Well, this the different method, you know, like
Different method.
there's some they cook together and they combine it together to just one time.
But you want to get this cooked up more first, huh?
Yes, I want my garlic to turn it brown first before I add my tomato.
Man, you got popping garlic here. Popcorn garlic.
Mm.
Something else we like cooking with right here is coconut oil. Oh my God, I tell you, you could just eat this direct. It is so delicious. So if y'all ain't ever tried to cook with coconut oil, check it out. Get some. They claim it's healthy. They cook with a lot of palm oil in the Philippines. So, all right, I think you're about ready to let the tomatoes join back in with the friends there.
Yes.
Back in the party.
Right.
Back in the hot tub. So is this not a dish you want to put anything like peppers or chilies or anything in?
No.
Not really?
Maybe black pepper powder. Maybe.
Yeah. No peppercorns?
No peppercorn.
No chilies? No jalapenos?
Well, not everything is spicy. Then you're gonna say, oh, everything is gonna cook spicy.
I like it though. So when I bite into one of those like Thai chilies, boy, you think you done bit into a green bean. It wasn't no damn green bean. And then you're
Right.
so I take it you added pork then, huh?
Yes. Yeah, we're going to.
Yeah, good commentary there. Good commentary. Instead of what are you going to do next, it's what you just did.
I think you need to cook this meat for a while.
Yeah, probably so. You going to cover it or what?
Yes, I'm gonna cover for a while.
Hold on.
Just
A little soy sauce in there, huh? This is that good dark soy from over in Asia. We buy it at the Asian market. For a lot of you don't know, soy sauce you buy here in the U.S., it's really watered down. If you go to your average grocery store, that is a really watered down soy sauce compared to what they actually use throughout Asia.
So I think I need to cover this one for a while.
I don't know what you let that cook for about like 10 minutes or so in there.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Yeah. Stopped and stirred it a couple times. She wanted that meat to cook down good. Of course, it's pork. You want it to cook good. So it's looking really great right there. You want it nice and browned up like that, man. It's looking great. All right, so calabash. Did I say that right? Calabash. Well, that's a bunch of it in there.
Yeah, this is the one whole deal with that.
Man. So it's like the main ingredient. Does it cook? It might cook way down or something though. That thing's full of a lot of liquid. We'll see here.
You need to add a little bit of water. Well, kind of dry them. Okay, so you need to also cover again. Let this calabash cook.
All right, so
Maybe like not so long. Maybe like 2 minutes like that.
You smell that? I smell some wood burning. All right, it's been 2 minutes and 41 seconds.
There's an extra.
Is that your precise time?
That's perfect. I think it's
Yeah, she said it doesn't take long for that calabash because it's already so soft.
and young for this.
Yeah, to cook. You know, it's a young, tender one. So just a few minutes only. First she said 2 minutes, then she said 3 minutes, so we're gonna break it down halfway. A little sea salt again.
Yeah,
Now I asked you about pepper, and I see you got some peppercorn sitting over there now. But you're gonna grind that though, right?
yes.
Ground black pepper. Is this the tenderized taste?
Yes. Ready.
Now in with the spinach and the Moringa. You don't like that one, huh? So you don't want to cook this way down. For you, it's never had fresh green moringa cooked into a chicken soup or to a dish like this. Man, you are missing out. It is delicious. Good Lord, it's delicious.
Good and healthy. You need to try it. I mean, just let the leaves cook for a while. Don't cook too much the moringa so long, because the more you cook so long, they taste better.
Yeah. I think you got a whole clump of them right there. You need to break that party up.
Or else you're gonna scoop all the moringa.
Yeah, in one scoop.
Really good.
So, how many minutes before we come back?
Just 1 minute. In a while, I can turn off the stove. Try it.
Try a little broth.
Yeah, if it needs a salt or what. Don't burn your mouth.
Well, I don't want to get the pork yet. Just want some juice. Don't burn my mouth. Well, hold on. Oh my God, it's good. Man, that's good.
So there it is.
Man, that is delicious.
You can turn off now.
It's done then, huh?
Yes, that's it.
Look at that.
I think I need to change that because the juice can scoop.
Yeah, you need to
It's not for me.
see that. Looks nice. Looks very, very good.
That's it.
Give me a little, how funny. You got jokes. Let me let that juice off the bottom. Oh, that's good. It's good and juicy. Look at that. Man, that looks delicious. All right, everybody, I got my plate fixed up here. I'm gonna get over here and enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Melinda cooking here, the little kitchen ninja. This dish just tastes so delicious. she had a little bit of rice already cooked. I decided I wanted some with it. So I'm gonna get over here and eat, and I hope all you enjoyed watching this. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.